Hey, so right now I'm in Barcelona. I arrived yesterday. I know. And I decided today just go for a little walk around because yesterday I was editing all day. Oh my gosh, when you're tired and you need to edit, just don't do it, just sleep. I've wanted to see Barcelona for ever since I found out that Barcelona actually existed. So the mere fact that I'm here right now, it's like I'm pinching myself. I'm like, is this for real? Volunteering with Urbany hostels for the next 2-3 months. So here I'm actually doing PR type work, which is taking guests out, clubbing, hosting event nights. So I'm looking forward to it. Doing really well for 2 hours of walking around. I kind of like to walk around the city without a map to, feel the place. And I mean, I can do it because I don't really have any time constraints. Here we go. So right now, I am at Barcelona. Oh, mate. This is freaking amazing. So if ever you have a chance to come into Barcelona and you're over near the beach, just drop by here. Really good burgers, really good dessert, and the stuff are ridiculous amazing. As for the drinks, I don't know. Dude can't afford it. Tonight is my second shift, right? This is the first time I've ever done this, okay? Ever. Is this bad?
Okay, open full. Yeah. The whole time. The whole time. Yeah.
Voilà. And
Yeah.
voila, yes. Slowly. And close. Yes! The last one.
Hold your head. Good. No! I'm playing guitar and playing Jenga with these lot. I know, right? You've got a German and an Argentinian. This thing behind me has connections in getting us snacks for free. So the other day I was here, I was actually looking at Arc de Triomphe, and I was walking along the side of this park, completely missed this, and it wasn't until Kelly, one of the interns at Urbany Hostel, shows me this photo and goes, "You have to go there!" And I'm like, oh! And here it is, in it. Legit one of the best markets, whatever you want to call this, ever that I've ever been to. It's like clean, cut. Everyone's got everything out and it's colorful and it's particular. Insane, I am mind blown. I fucking love this place. I honestly could not have chosen any other city to spend Christmas in other than this city. Like, I am legit in love. I am in love. have to find my way back because I have no idea where I am. But it looks pretty. There you go, lady.
It's good, yeah? I like it.
Yeah. She's like, yeah, I'll give you that one. Yeah. Ooh. Friday night mojito night. It's